These are hands down some of my favorite cookies ever. Imagine biting into a chewy, pillowy, soft cookie only to be greeted with a surprise, a gooey marshmallow center and just a hint of spice that says, "I'm not your average cookie." Oh, and if you like a bit of culinary adventure, hit that like button. It's a tiny click for you, but a giant leap for my channel. Thank you. To start, freeze the mini marshmallows. Seriously, don't skip this step. Without freezing, these guys might melt into a sticky marshmallow puddle. Need to speed it up? Spread them out on a plate. They'll freeze faster than a popsicle on a hot day. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, ground cayenne, baking soda, ground cinnamon, salt, and cocoa powder. In the bowl of a stand mixer, fit it with a paddle or a large bowl with a hand mixer. Beat the butter and brown sugar on medium-high until light and fluffy. Add the egg and vanilla, then beat until creamy for about 2 more minutes. Add the flour mixture and beat on low until no dry spots remain for about 1 more minute. Divide the dough into about 20 pieces and form balls. Bring over the frozen marshmallows. Then press down each ball to form a thin disc. Pile 5 frozen mini marshmallows on top of the flattened dough, then bring the outer edges over the marshmallows to envelop them. Gently apply pressure in your palm so most of the air escapes. Roll the dough into balls again, ensuring no marshmallows are visible. Then gently press them into thick discs. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. In a small bowl, combine granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Roll the discs in cinnamon sugar until they are fully coated, then place them on the baking sheet. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes in the upper half of the oven. Now, here's the hard part, waiting for them to cool while your kitchen smells like chocolate heaven. Just imagine the first bite, gooey marshmallow, rich cocoa, and that unexpected little kick. Mouth-watering yet? Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!